A DIY stock tank pool is a budget-friendly way to add a splash of fun to your outdoor space. Follow these steps to transform a stock tank into a soaking pool. The first step is to choose a sunny part of your outdoor space to place the pool. The area should be flat and have access to electricity for the pool pump. Use a 2x4 to make sure the pool is level. The next step is to fill your pool to check for leaks. As you fill the pool, mark the leaks with a lumber crayon. Then empty the tank. Following the manufacturer's instructions, apply a waterproof silicone sealant to seal the leak. The next step is to add a pool pump to filter the water and prevent algae buildup. Drill 2 holes with a hole saw, one at the top for the output and one towards the bottom for the input. Use gaskets to prevent leaks. Then attach the input and output drains. Finally, connect the plunger valve and now you're ready to refill the pool. To keep the pool clean, you will need a floating pool dispenser with chlorine tablets. You can use a pool water testing kit to make sure the pH in the pool is balanced. Use a skimmer to keep leaves out of the pool. And change the pump filter every couple of months. Create a mini oasis around the pool tank. Add tables to hold beverages, a fence for privacy, hooks for towels, and an umbrella to block the sun. And finally, here's a list of all the materials and tools you may need. Now grab a pool float and enjoy some fun in the sun. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.